What's up guys, Chris here, back again with another video. So today I'm going to be taking a pair of regular Nike slides and making them glow. And I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly what you need to do in order to make these shoes pop. So let's get started with the tutorial.
Okay, so now that I've got my base, I'm gonna take some acetone and some cotton balls or cotton rounds, and I'm gonna lightly rub the surface to prep it for my paint. And then when I'm done with that, I'm gonna use some tape and tape over any areas that I don't want my paint to get on. Okay, so now that our taping's all done, I'm going to show you guys my glow-in-the-dark paint mix. For this, I'm going to use 70% Angelus neutral paint, and then I'm going to use about 30% Createx Colors Adhesion Promoter. So I'm going to mix up about an ounce of that, and then I'm going to add in 3 scoops of my glow-in-the-dark crack powder. Now, before you write that comment, I'm linking every single product I'm using in this video down below in the description box. So check that out and you'll know where to get everything I use to do this custom. Now, I'm going to be using this with an airbrush. I don't recommend using a paintbrush because your finish ends up being really blotchy in the end. Now, here is a tip that I know all of my airbrush people are really going to appreciate. Before you put this glow-in-the-dark powder in your airbrush, you have to strain it. Now, I know you've probably seen the Angelus strainers that they sell where you put your paint in and you wait like 10 minutes for it to drip out. I don't use those anymore because honestly, they take way too long and I'm really impatient when it comes to that. So I recommend getting some nylon funnel filters. You can get them in the link down below in the description box. And basically it's a piece of paper with a nylon filter around it. You're going to rip the filter out, pull off the paper, and now you have a little flexible filter. Now I'm going to transfer my paint from my little 1 ounce container to a bigger container. I'm going to put the filter around the mouth of the bottle and then put my cap on. Now basically what's going to happen is every time I squeeze my paint out of that bottle, it's going to go through the strainer and it's going to catch all of the little clogs and all of the little pigments that stuck together that you don't want in your airbrush. Now look at all of the dried up pigment that got caught in the strainer. If I didn't use the strainer and I just poured that into my airbrush, all of that stuff would have got caught in my airbrush and I would have had to stop what I was doing, pour my paint out, get out all my cleaning materials and take 20 minutes and clean out my airbrush before I try again. Make sure that you don't skip the strainer part because if you do, this is not going to be a pleasant experience for you. Okay, so this is what they look like after about 5 coats. They have like a greenish yellowish tint to them now. But now I'm going to do my clear coat. So you guys already know I usually rock with Angelus matte finisher and I mix a few drops of duller into it just to give it that nice authentic dull finish that I love. Okay guys, so this is the final product. They're all done and the glow is crazy.
Okay guys, so we're all done here. Let me know down below what you think of the slides. Also, for anyone that wants to do this to their own pair or replicate this custom, I left all the links down below for every single item I used to make this shoe possible. And if you want to get a shoe done by me, make sure to check out the description down below. Head over to chriscustomkicks.com and place your order, and I'll have those sent out to you as soon as I can. But I'm not going to hold you guys too long. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.